Lady Luck, your fortunate friend in English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that many of you might have come across. Lady Luck. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Let's uncover the mystery. Lady Luck is a personification of luck as a woman, often used in contexts where fortune or luck plays a significant role. The phrase suggests that luck is unpredictable, much like the whims of a person, and is not always guaranteed. For example, I hope Lady Luck is on my side at the casino tonight. You scored a goal in the last minute of the game. Lady Luck was surely with you. The concept of luck being personified as a deity or a figure goes back centuries across different cultures. The Romans had Fortuna, the goddess of luck and fortune. Over time, as English evolved, the term transformed, and today, we often hear the friendlier and less formal Lady Luck to describe the unpredictable nature of fortune. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but using it confidently is another. Here are some examples to help you incorporate Lady Luck into your daily conversations. 1. We'll need Lady Luck on our side to win this competition. 2. I guess Lady Luck wasn't with me when I lost my keys. 3. He credits his success to hard work and a little help from Lady Luck. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, Lady Luck. Remember, English is filled with such vibrant idioms and expressions, and understanding them can enrich your language skills. We hope this video shed some light on this charming phrase. Until next time, may Lady Luck smile upon all your language learning endeavors.